In this video, Top Tier Exteriors is showing a full roof and gutter restoration. This home received a full lifetime roofing system. We used GAF Timberline HDZ shingles in the color Mission Brown. We replaced the skylight with a Velux CO6 model. It is recommended that any time you replace your roof, you should also invest in replacing your skylight. This way there are no leaks down the road. We installed a new 5-inch white gutter system with the appropriate gutter guards to help prevent any debris from surrounding trees on the property clogging up the system. It is recommended to have your gutters checked at the beginning of spring and fall for any clogging or damage. Visit us on our website toptierexteriors.pro or contact Top Tier Exteriors for any storm damage or restoration projects you're looking to have completed.